Fightworx Academy, what we do is bring together the best combat sports instructors so that everybody has the opportunity to train in all the disciplines under the same roof. We cater for all levels of experience and ability, whether you want to come down to lose some weight, get fit, build your confidence, or whether you want to become a professional athlete. Fightworx is the place for you. If you're interested in becoming a competitive athlete at Fightworx, we can take you through our fighter development program, which can prepare you for all levels of competition, right the way up to a professional level. The majority of our members are complete beginners who come down to learn a new sport, to get some new skills, get fit, build their confidence, and generally meet people with similar interests. We offer something for everyone at Fightworx. We've got beginners classes in Jiu Jitsu, Thai boxing, and MMA. As well as this, we offer a ladies only Thai boxing class and a very popular junior program, which gives kids the opportunities to train in the same disciplines as the adults in a fun, friendly, and safe environment. Feel free to come down, have a watch of some of the classes, chat to some of the instructors, and see what we're all about.